I love Angel Dusk and Husk dynamics. They are so perfect for each other. All my freaking life, I love this cartoon. I love VVZ Pop cartoons, everything she creates, I love so much. Where can I start? It's such a fantastic show. Some people will say it's too fast, some people will say there is this mistake and this mistake in that. I love this cartoon. This is a love letter to Hazbin Hotel. I have always been a huge fan and I love it so much. And the episode of Angel Dust, sheesh, that was such a deep episode. I love it. It's so much that I needed to make this fan art right here that you're seeing the process. The real reason is such a fantastic scene where you can accept your mistakes, every dumb shit, censor that you have done. And you can finally understand, okay, that's it, but my life keeps on going. When you understand that this is not the end, it keeps on going. It's such a power, you know, it's such a move power. And there is a policy in the background of my video. Great timing, best timing possible for it to be just... Okay, good. My main objective here was to go a little bit more into an art style, more focused, like, hey, that's Hazbin Hotel, that's a cartoon. Not so much my main art style that for you guys that watch my channel, you know that I draw hardcore stuff, clearly realistic, semi-realistic, highly detailed stuff. And if I can do this cartoon style, why I could not do my semi-realistic and vice versa? If I can do a semi-realistic and a realistic, I can totally do a cartoon style. Being an artist is about understanding the full potential of it. Not only understanding the cartoon, but also understanding the realistic. Not only understanding anime, but also understanding whatever the freak you think it's the opposite of anime. So Angel Dust's story, it's so deep and profound. He literally works in an abusive setting with the tools he have. He of course Valentino was such a dick with him. It was horrible. And Angel Dust is like, damn, I made a mistake. I made something. And of course, there was no way of Angel Dust knowing that it could become that huge pile of chunk, you know? Because he was probably deep in love with Valentino or something like that. Or probably the liquid from Valentino's mouth. I remember VVZ Pop commenting that it has an addiction effect after you drink that. So probably that's what happened with Angel Dust. This is a fantastic episode. I love it so much how deep it went. And this song of Loser Baby, this song, I love it. And many other people that watch it love it too. Why? Why people love it so much, this song? Because this song is the real thing. When you're feeling down, just hearing Husk singing, you're a loser just like me. Maybe you lost, maybe you're addicted like me, maybe you do bad stuff like me, but you're not alone in this. Do you know how great of a hug this is? Do you know that you're not alone in your deepest despair, in your deepest horrible point in life, and you know, hey, but at least I'm not alone. That's the best thing ever. Knowing that you're not alone is forever and ever incredible. And if you are feeling alone in your artistic journey, or you're feeling alone in life in general, remember that it's impossible to be 100% alone. And this should be in a way to make you feel more calm and more in control of the situation, because we're never truly 100% alone. And this is such a relief. I don't know what you may go through. I don't know what Angel Dust have gone through, like the full plot. And I don't know what was everything of Husk with its master, Alastor. But one thing I know, we all have those deep dark moments, and we all know that we can pass through it. And we are not the only ones passing through that deep swish, okay? That deep chungus, that dog chungus, you know, poop. that big poop. We all have those times and we pass through it. And the magic of it, it's going to pass, okay? It's going to pass. No matter how long it takes, no matter if 10 years, no matter if 1 year, no matter if 10 seconds, no matter if it's 100, no, not 100 years, 15 years, it's going to pass. Everything in life passes. And that's the best message that I can give to you in this video. So now, focusing a little bit more into the cartoon Hazbin Hotel, I have been loving so much the messages, the songs. The songs are so good. I could sing this whole video for you listening to me right now, because I just love such a well-made cartoon characters. I just love their story and everything of them, and the design and how they got so many pointy parts. It's hard to find pointy parts on designs today. Normally cartoons tend to go all the way into a I gotta be soft and likable, soft and likable. I love having cartoons with very pointy style in the art style. I love it. I just love it so much. I could scream my whole day talking about Hazbin Hotel. I don't know how many hours I have been listening to Hazbin Hotel. I don't care if it's an addiction. That made me feel happier, and I still was able to work and work out. So I believe it was a healthy addiction. That's right. I repeat that again. Healthy addiction. I may be contradicting myself. Yes, but who isn't? So I wanted to give the art style of the cartoon, but a little bit more into, hey, maybe this was an official artwork more than an official frame, you know? And another object that I had is that I was drawing so many art commissions. I have been drawing so many commissions. Guys, I have been doing a full marathon of drawing art commissions. I have been like, oh, gotta work, Sonic fast. What? And I was like, okay, I want to do a fan art, but it gotta be fast. And that's what I did. I was just focusing, hey, heads, main point. Legs, get blurred. Get a chromatic aberration. Hey, the rest, just basic color, a little bit of shadow, a little bit of ring light. Make that glow. Make a background glow. Telling a little bit more about the song Loser Baby. And that's what I got. Loads of effects, simple line, simple sketch, simple base colors. Everything is very simple. I think I took at maximum 2 hours, something like that, to do this. I don't know, but it was very easy going. Whenever you want to draw, but you're feeling like, damn, I don't have time. You do have time. You do. If I can manage 16 artworks at the same time, you can. Okay, you can. If I can manage 2 workouts per day, plus 16 artwork, plus I don't know what, hanging out with my dog, because he needs to walk a lot. Let me see what more. Taking some baths and all. You can, okay, you can. And if this is not a great comparison for you, fine. If in the start of my art journey, I was able to draw 24 commissions in 1 month, you can draw that one fan art that you love, okay? It's all about planning. Took me long years to understand that planning is king and queen. Planning is the number one thing if you want to make that work. If you have a great strategy, oh my freaking life, games were already telling me about it and I was not caring enough. There is strategy games where you plan stuff, like tower defense games. You gotta plan, because if you plan well, all the rest will go extra duper well, okay? Planning is everything if you wanna make a fan art, if you wanna draw those characters that you love, just like hear me drawing Angel Dust and Husk. Oh, they are so lovable. I love them so much, and I love the fact that Angel Dust is becoming even more pure and becoming a better person. Oh, perfect character. I love the development. I love the character development. It's everything, the songs, every single character. My personal favorite characters are Alastor and Charlie. Not for the reasons you may expect, Alastor, but Charlie for all the good reasons possible. She's just a positive, good vibe girl, and I love it to discover that her dub, literally her voice actor, is literally the same vibes as her. Did you know that Charlie voice actor is literally the same crackhead full of sugar as Charlie? That's perfect. That's perfect to know. That makes me happy. That makes me sleep at night happy. That makes me fulfill my heart with rainbows and unicorns. That's right. That makes anyone extra duper happy. And that's the final results of my artwork. Did you like it? Did you not like it? I'm going to leave it possible for you to get a print of it on my print link in the description. Love you all, champs. Have a great night. Have a great day. You're never fully dressed without a smile. Bye bye.